Welcome to Sarah's 10th birthday. Here we are coming down the road to the Sarah's farm in Oregon. There's the mailbox. There's the road that goes up the hill. Here comes the house. There's the house. It's the house that Sarah lived in. She was a little girl. She moved here when she was 1. There's pigs. Lots of pigs. There's Sarah's house. Here's the orchard that Sarah helped to plant. We have pictures of when Sarah was just 2 years old, helping to plant fruit trees. Here's Heirloom. Here's Heirloom. Heirloom was one of our first pigs that we got. She was one of our first pigs. Hi, Heirloom. Say hi to Sarah. Hi, Heirloom. Here are more pigs and more fruit trees. The fruit trees have gotten big. Sarah helped plant these. We have pictures somewhere of Sarah planting them when she was just 2 years old, out helping us plant them. Maybe not even 2, just barely 1 maybe. Just barely 2. Yep, they've got fruit on them. Here's the pears coming on the pear tree. Those big cherry trees Sarah helped plant. There's Holly, pig. There's Holly. Hi, Holly. There's Colossus. Hi, Colossus. Hi, Colossus. I don't know where Rude is. He's around. There's the house. You can't see from here because of the trees now. There's the old garage. It used to be an old house. There's the house. This is the house that Sarah lived in when she was a little girl. There's the Jeep. Sarah knows that Jeep very well. There's the house. There's our old blue pickup truck. Sarah used to go in that a lot. There's our old blue pickup truck. Chicken, speckled Sussex chicken. Hi, speckled Sussex chicken. Her grandmother lived here when Sarah lived here. These are all the cows and sheep on Sarah's farm in Oregon. It's where Sarah lived when she was a little girl. Right there's Heather. Heather was here. We got Heather when Sarah was I think she was just barely 2 years old, maybe. Oh no, that's Heather there. There's Heather. That's Heather right there. That's Heather's daughter we just saw. Oh, that was Twilight. Somewhere in here is a cow named Sarah. Where is Sarah? Somewhere in here there's a cow named Sarah. Oh, and there's another cow named Evelyn. Oh, right there is Evelyn. That black cow right there is Evelyn. And in here there's white mother sheep is in here and black mother. And Sarah's ridden some of these sheep, some of these cows. She's been on their back riding them. There's Sarah right there. Sarah the cow. Hi, Sarah cow. The red cow right there. There's Sarah cow. Sarah the cow was bred on this farm when Sarah lived here. There's the woods where Sarah used to hike in the woods. She'd go for walks with Jason and her daddies and Kirk and Nikki. We used to go get Christmas trees out there at Christmas time. There's all the pastures. There's the barn. The barnyard where Sarah used to play, and Sarah used to catch goats and rope them. And ride them. Sarah used to ride goats. Here are some bulls on Sarah's farm. This is Bracken. Look at his big neck. He's got a huge neck. That's Bracken. That's Fraser's. He was Fraser's son. Fraser was the first bull that Sarah had on her farm. There's the hay barn. It used to be new, now it's getting old. There's the old barn. That's the barn that Sarah had a little accident in. She was helping me in the top of the barn. That's the barn right there. And that's where Sarah used to milk goats and catch goats and teach them how to be ridden. Sarah was the best cowgirl in the world. There's the big tree. Sarah's big tree. It's 10 years older now than it was when we moved here. Almost 10 years. I guess it's 9 years. Sarah's 10. This is the inside of the barn. There's the ladder that Sarah used to climb up. There's going up into the top of the barn. That's the hole Sarah fell through and fell right down on her back when she was probably 3 years old. Here's up in the top of the barn looking out towards the house. That's the house that Sarah lived in from when she was 1 year old until she was, 5 years old. This is the inside of the barn. Inside of the barn. And here's where, this is the hole that Sarah backed into. She was helping me put some stuff up, some wood up in the top of the barn, and we were pulling it backwards. And I wasn't doing a good job of being watchful. And Sarah went right down that hole. She fell down all the way down and on her back. And I went running to the house. I told her, you stay laying there flat. And I went running to the house to get mad, because I thought she had broken her back. But she was just fine. And it made a good story. Here's Sarah's big tree. She used to run around this tree when she was 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. This big tree, it's huge. And there's Sarah's swing, still waiting for her. Yep, there's Sarah's swing. Sarah used to be so good at swinging on this swing. It's still here. This is the hill pasture. There's the hill up there where Sarah used to go tube riding on the snow. They would ride down that hill on tubes and all sorts of things. Oh, there's Black Mother. Black Mother. Black Mother had 2 beautiful lambs this year. Hi, Black Mother. Say hello to Sarah. Black Mother's the same age Sarah is. Black Mother doesn't know what to think of a camera. There's the hill. There are the woods up there. We used to have a path going up here. You can't see it as well as you used to. But here's the path that the sheep made going up the hill, and Sarah used to walk up this path all the time. Oh, let's go over and see the pond. Oh, there's Black Mother's daughters. Hi, sheep. They're very tame, but the camera is scaring them. Let's go see the pond. Oh, this is the pond. Oh, I remember when Sarah fell in this pond. Here's the pond. Here's the big tree by the pond. Here's the pond. Has frogs in it and crawdads in it, and there's the pond. Here are the pigeons. Do you remember the pigeons, Sarah? Here are the pigeons. Not very many of them now, just a few. Sarah used to take care of these pigeons. Here's Sarah's old tire swing. Still here. Sarah used to love to ride that. There's the plum tree. Oh, when there was plums on it, I couldn't wait for the plums to grow so I could have some nice plums. And Sarah loved them so much, she would pick them when they were still just a little bit green, and she would eat them all while they were still just a little bit green. And so I couldn't have any ripe ones. There's some plums hanging on the tree. There's plums. Sarah ate a lot of plums off of this tree. It was her favorite.